from the pan. Like this. Crispy black. It's monsoon season here. It rains most of the time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make chicken fry or fried chicken. Since the weather is really chilly out here, like it's been raining the whole time. I make for all my kantan parivar. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but I hope it comes out good. Mix all the ingredients. I always mix good dishes, so let's see how it comes out. So first, what are we gonna do is heat the pan and then pour the oil. So आप ये देख रहे हैं तेल गर्म नहीं हुआ है अभी भी. So this is how my mom taught me. How you check how? This is how you check how. If you can smell the oil like this, that means it's already warm. माता श्री ने मुझे सिखाया है ऐसे. Guys, this is how it turned out. This is not crispy brown. This is crispy black. But please don't judge the book by its cover. I know it tastes really good. It looks flaky, but it tastes really good. I know. Momo sana. Momo. Momo jo. See, I told you guys, don't go for it looks. It tastes good. Got my plums. Woo! Wow! Lagi. आपके लिए कैसा है चिकन?
Alam na. Kala chigaro
Crispy. Crispy brown. कैसे लगा मेरा चिकन फ्राई?
अच्छा लगा, इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं 10,000 बार खा सकता हूँ.
Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा था.
वो इतना अच्छा था? Wow. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like my video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.